Hi everyone, my name is Tori Lane, and I have redesigned the game of chess. So basically, what I've done is I wanted to shorten the game time needed and also made it a lot less tactical and made it like a lot faster paced and a lot not easier, but I've basically flipped the old concept on its head. So instead of trying to capture the other player's king, or checkmate the other player's king, you now try to get your king and your queen captured by the other team as quick as possible. So basically, you want to try to maneuver all of your pieces to be in the way of the other ones, if that makes sense. So I've also changed how the pieces move and how they're set up. So this is the original formation that you start the game in. It's hard to tell with this lighting, I'm in the dark, but these are painted different colors. These are darker and these are like pastel colors. They're both the same on each side though. And I won't name all of the changes, but for example, the pawns can now move one in any direction, not just forward, and it also, say the pawn is here, this pawn could capture this one, so you can capture the pieces simply by moving forward. The rooks can move forward and sideways, but only up to 3 spaces. You can move 1 or 2, it's up to you. The biggest change was for the king and queen. So the king can only move 1 space diagonally, but they cannot capture any pieces. They are basically neutral. They only exist to be captured. So I've just made a bunch of changes like that. Another big change is the bishops. So instead of moving only diagonally, you can move 2 spaces in any direction, but you can move forward 1 and sideways 1. You can move forwards 1, diagonally 1. It doesn't matter. I just thought these gameplay changes changed the aesthetic a little bit, along with the color scheme. I think instead of being a more challenge-based game, it adds more fellowship and more like a submission type aesthetic. Unfortunately, I don't have another person to play it with, but it is much faster paced gameplay. And I might enjoy it a little more. I find chess a little difficult, but yeah, that is the rundown of my game. The working title is called Color Wars, just because it's I've painted the pieces. I guess like I'll try to show you. Like this one's yellow, if the lighting is really bad, but yeah.